Alexa, stop. Hey guys, welcome. If you're here for a creative video, stay. Don't click off. Just wanted to share a little pregnancy update with you. I'm 31 weeks and 5 or 6 days. I'm not sure where I'm at with the days. I might be off by a day. So almost 32 weeks. Yesterday I went in to see my doctor because I was experiencing something out of the ordinary. I wasn't in pain, nothing crazy, nothing scary, but just something that was not the normal for me. And I asked babe to take a look, and it's like, it don't look right. So that was the night before. So yesterday morning we called the doctor. I told her the situation. She said, okay, come in. I'll be in the office at 12:30. Just come in and tell the nurse you don't have an appointment, but that you called me and I told you to come in. So I did that. She examined me and she said, baby boy has taken up his position. He's nice and low in my cervix, and my cervix is kind of low in, well, not low, but it's down in my you know what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So baby boy thinks he's done baking. However, my cervix is still closed, so that's good. So her recommendations are that I take it easy. I have not been officially placed on bed rest, but she did tell me to take it easy. No more adult activities for a while, until probably 37 weeks, when we're sure that baby is ready to come out. And no more adult activities, no more exercising. So I'm gonna have to stop doing my morning walks. Not that they're not very vigorous, I just take a little stroll, but she did say I should stop my exercising, and no heavy lifting. Of course, I wasn't allowed to lift anything heavy in any case prior to this, and I can't be on my feet for too long. But it's not anything, it's not like I'm having a prolapse or anything. It's just that baby has just put himself in the position to come into this life. I think he's excited. I think he thinks his dad is funny and he's dying to meet him, because he responds to his dad's voice like crazy. Anyhow, so the point of this video is to say that I'm not gonna have my typical Sunday videos. I won't have them every week because I can't stay on my feet for too long. I will have my short videos because, you know, those are tasks that I do that take 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll keep pushing those out on Tuesdays and Thursdays. On Sundays, there's at least 2 videos that I'm definitely going to do. And guys, I have 2 months left, so 2 months, 3 months maybe, I'm not gonna have any regular Sunday videos, but I'll be here. I'm gonna try and have my Wednesday videos and keep you guys updated on the pregnancy. I think people are enjoying the shorts, because even my previous shorts that I posted on Tuesday of this week, it's now Saturday by the way for reference, on Tuesday I posted it and I got like 3 subscribers from that one short video. And I know 3 subscribers is not a lot in the grand scheme of things, but my shorts videos have been, most of them have been well received, and since I started doing shorts, I've been gaining subscribers at a rate at probably 1 every other day or so. When you average it out over the month, it's 1 every other day or so, and I'm thankful for those little small blessings. I'm kind of thankful that baby is in a good position, because she also said this means that I'm more likely to have my VBAC, which I really want to do. I don't want to have another C-section. So in 2009, baby number 1 came via C-section. 2011, I had a VBAC with baby number 2. So I wanted to have a VBAC again with this baby. I just prefer the recovery time. There's a plane passing. I don't know if you can hear it. My fan is also going in the back. I don't know if you can hear it, but yes. So, and she says she thinks that I should be fine for the VBAC because baby's nice and positioned, and my cervix looks good. And the mere fact that he seems like he's ready to go, she says she doesn't think that I'm gonna make it to 40 weeks. So we are looking good, looking good, looking good. So she has changed me now to appointments twice per month. So I'm gonna go in and see her in the next 2 weeks. Prior to this visit, she had just changed them to 3 times, because in my experience, you go from monthly visits to visits twice per month. She had changed it to every 3 weeks because she said I was progressing well, as not a high-risk pregnancy. So she didn't think that she was gonna go to every 2 weeks. She was just gonna do every 3 weeks until up to a certain point, and then every week. But she's now at every 2 weeks just because baby seems to be ready. And because of my history with my last feedback, I had quite a number of painless contractions, and I had prodromal labor. It's for 5 days, but because I had the C-section, they couldn't induce me in any case. So I was just there. But I was dilating, even though for the most part I wasn't in any pain, and the contractions never had any particular pattern, or they never got constant until like my water broke at around 1 in the morning, and when they examined me I was 4 centimeters dilated, and I didn't start having regular contractions until in the evening that day when I was like close. So yep, my cervix is a hard nut to crack apparently, which I'm grateful for that. I'm not going to complain. So looking forward to all of this. And you know, I was thinking to myself, maybe this is why I'm just not in the mood to do anything, because my body just knows that I need to keep calm. So we should listen to our bodies is the moral of the story. Sometimes there's God knows, the universe knows, whatever you believe in, you believe in a higher power. Sometimes it's just, we should just listen to our bodies and just go with the flow. And I know that sometimes that's hard to do because we feel like we need to crush everything, but yep, I digress. My laundry room should be getting put together next week. So there's that I want to show you guys. And then the second week of August, I said I wanted to put the baby's little nursery nook in our bedroom together. So there's that. And we had also decided to paint an accent wall in our living/dining room area. So those 3 things you'll definitely see between now and September, October-ish. But apart from that, no regular Sunday videos. But anyhow, I think we're talking enough. I'm going to go and pick up my mom. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. So I did all of this. I'm just feeling a little bit extra yesterday. Yesterday I went out and I felt like I looked super pretty. So today I was like, ooh, I want to look pretty today too. Even though I'm probably not going to come out of the car for any reason. So I'm gonna go pick up my mom, and she's gonna come back and spend a couple days, I don't know, a couple days here with me. We've gone 9 minutes, so can you see me? I don't know. And that's the update for baby right now. And I'll have another update for you in the next 2 weeks about baby boy. I'm excited. Can you tell? I'm excited. I'm so excited about this, because another reason I'm excited about this is because my OBGyn is actually due the week after me, and I really want her to be the one to deliver the baby. So I'm kind of excited that he's all ready to go, because I don't want her baby to decide to come when my baby's coming. And it sounds selfish, but it's not coming from a selfish place. I understand, of course, if she can't deliver my baby, but I was really looking forward to it because she's such a nice doctor. When I had the miscarriage last year, she was so patient. She was so she knew that there was no baby, there was no heartbeat. She knew that the baby was gone, but she was so accommodating. She like, I've heard so many stories where he just moved and he's down there, so it feels like it's done. So I don't know if I just cringed or anything, that's why. Yeah, so I've heard a lot of stories where doctors are not really nice when people have miscarriages, especially here in my country. They say the weirdest things, the most, I don't know, like just things that you don't say to somebody that's just miscarried. You don't tell somebody, oh well, you can go for another one. I don't think that's something that's appropriate to say. But anyhow, when we didn't find that heartbeat that day, and she checked and she said she's not seen any blood flow in the baby, she's not seen any blood flow in my uterus, I believe she said, and she still gave us the option, come to the hospital tomorrow, there's a more advanced ultrasound machine there, we can see better. And I mean, I know she's an expert and she knew that that baby was gone, but she was just so human about it, and she just seemed so humble and nice, and like, it's that doctor that you just want to be your friend. So I've heard a lot about experiences that people have had with hospital staff and medical workers who just don't know how to be caring and compassionate. And I don't want to be rude to nobody, especially when they're gonna be all up in my, so I really wanted her to do it. The point of the story is that I digress again as usual. Alright guys, I'm done talk. I'm serious as a judge. I'm done talking. So that's the update for now. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I will see you, or you will see me Tuesday in a short cleaning video, and Thursday in a short cleaning video, and that's gonna be the regular schedule for now. Tuesdays and Thursdays, definitely you'll get a video, guys. And for all of my regulars that I know don't mind that the schedule is changing, and I know you're gonna comment down below, don't worry, we'll be here. I love you all. And for all the people that watch and don't comment, I love you too. But no sound out there, I used to be like that on YouTube one time. I would not comment for anything, but I watched the videos religiously and like them religiously. Thank you so much for your silent support. It still means a lot to me. Keep watching the videos, and I will see you. You will see me in the next one. Bye.